Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you are going to add tax information on your Facebook account and you are unable to add it correctly or you don't know how to add it, then here I will show you how can you easily add your tax information to your Facebook account. So guys, here you can see it says provide additional details relating to your services. So guys, you have to simply provide additional details relating to your services, and you get the question from here as well, which says location of where services are or will be physically performed. So guys, this is the question which you have to give answer, or you have to choose from these three options. Here you can see this. The first one is saying 0% of services will be physically performed inside the United States. And the second option says 100% of services will be physically performed inside the United States. And there is a third option which says services will be physically performed inside and outside of the United States. So guys, basically you get three options. You have to simply select from here which one is correct or which one will be applied from here. So guys, you have to simply check this to any one from here which is correct, and after this you have to simply tap on next button, and then you have to simply save this tax information regarding your services or the location of your services for your Facebook account. So I simply save this information, and then your tax information will be saved and your additional details will be provided to the Facebook team. So guys, this is the way which you can use to add or provide additional details relating to your services. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.